TJ's Trucktastic treasure hunt. TJ bounced in his bright red toy truck. It wasn't just any truck. Oh no, this was TJ's Truckosaurus Rex, the mightiest, roarest truck in the whole entire playroom. Today, TJ was going on a super special adventure, a Trucktastic treasure hunt. Vroom, vroom! TJ stomped on the gas pedal, which was actually a giant green button, and Truckosaurus Rex lurched forward. It bumped over a cuddly teddy bear and sent a stack of blocks tumbling down like dominoes. But TJ didn't care. He was on a mission. "Hi there, adventurer," chirped TJ's mom, flipping a fluffy pancake in the air. "Where are you off to in such a hurry?" "Trucktastic treasure hunt," TJ declared, his voice full of excitement. "Gotta find the hidden goodies." TJ steered Truckosaurus Rex towards the laundry basket mountain. It looked like a good place to start a treasure hunt, right? He reached in with one chubby hand and pulled out a bright yellow sock. "Nope," he mumbled, tossing the sock aside. "Not a treasure." Back in his truck, TJ navigated a tunnel made of soft, colorful blankets. It was a bit bumpy, but TJ giggled as he peeked through the opening. Maybe the treasure was hiding in this cozy cave. TJ popped out of the tunnel and found Sparky, his fluffy dog, napping peacefully. Sparky's tail thumped against the floor a few times, but he didn't wake up. "Hey, Sparky," TJ said in a whisper. "Have you seen any treasure around here?" Sparky just yawned and snuggled his bone closer. TJ crawled over to his dad's toolbox. It was full of shiny metal things that looked kind of like treasure. He grabbed a long, red screwdriver. "This could be it," he exclaimed, holding the screwdriver up high. Just then, TJ's mom came over and scooped him up in a hug. "Looking for treasure, huh?" she asked with a twinkle in her eye. TJ's mom handed him a small, wrapped box. He carefully peeled off the paper and peeked inside. His eyes widened. It wasn't just one treasure, but a whole bunch of tiny trucks and cars in all sorts of bright colors. TJ squealed with delight. These weren't just any cars and trucks, they were his brand new Truckosaurus Rex buddies. He lined them all up on the rug and started making engine noises. Even Sparky seemed interested, wagging his tail and sniffing at the new toys. TJ's Trucktastic treasure hunt might not have been what he expected, but it led him to something even better, a whole new adventure with his truck-loving friends.